quarter over here. Throw some quarters over here. Okay, let's throw some more on this side. Okay, let's throw some more. Oh, that's good enough. Let's throw that in the bag and let's put $1 in.
That is done the full circle. Let's just turn the feet up. Actually, you have to turn the full circle. Why don't? I think I'm right.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's either a gear problem or there's a clearance problem.
The electric control.
No. It's either mechanically the gear is like worn out, or there's a gap a little bit higher, a little bit lower. Okay, another $1.